person.
What's going on, everybody?
But I think actually, I think in like 2 weeks we're starting to meet in person again.
Yeah, Uxon and CanF. If Uxon on this move here went up to 650 and struggled, I was actually gonna take a position, but oh well. You can see I have both of those on my list. Researchers, baby.
You got my magnet. You got my flyer, my pen. Look at you guys.
Oh, I just took that picture. That's on my desk.
Like, I've really been doing my homework.
You were a lot closer to me than you thought at one point last week on Tuesday at 3 o'clock. 3:23 to be exact.
323.
Yeah, I said I was going to lunch, but in reality, I was just headed to New Jersey.
Okay, I gotta go find Steve.
What are you doing in New Jersey?
I was finding Steve.
He wasn't in New Jersey.
I was getting ready for the Wednesday morning meeting. Now, I was in Jersey looking for you, DT. I heard you live there.
Yeah,
Why would you say something bad about DT?
gotta cross the bridge first.
This stain ain't big enough for both of us.
Meet me in Camden.
And that's far away.
See if we can make up for that crap yesterday that we were
Elf.
dealing with.
Self going.
Yeah. I mean,
Let's look at Brian's hangover candidates here. RAPT. That actually does look like a good one. It's a typical hangover. Big move. Tried to gap up, didn't. That could be. That's the only thing is I feel like you want it to kind of go sideways or gap down from the close. You don't want it to gap up after and then kind of fade off. Even though it's okay, but it's definitely not like the A plus.
Dogs and wolf was moving yesterday.
Going for
The pets basket.
the pets basket. There's a basket for everything nowadays.
I mean, this one I don't quite understand.
Short one out, Steve.
This is what's the ticker? ALF?
Oh.
It says I do.
New IPO.
Nope, I don't. The S is on the montage, but I don't actually have shares.
New IPO.
It's a really small company. Market cap's only 50 mil, and that's with it at its current price. It's only a 40 mil market cap if down to $4. So every dollar is 10 mil. Why is this going up anyway?
Fulfillment distribution of 10,000 digital tablets for Uber and Lyft.
That's it? 10,000? What the heck?
Probably trying them out. So,
Oh, you know, let's just go from 350 to 5, increasing our market cap by 15 million. But you know, we're only giving away 10,000 tablets.
They're doing AI as platform for Uber and Lyft.
The potential of future money. Moving on potential.
First 10,000 was delivered.
Oh, first 10,000.
All right, let's go back. So OCGN. I actually want to keep this one on watch. We have shared on this, right?
Red and black
How
tablets.
many? Fizzle.
Gonna make some money today, I think.
Oh, I started looking at the wrong ones. That's what I wanted to do. Yeah, so this, okay, I was looking at the wrong things. These were the hangover candidates. I started looking at these down
Like
here.
in a trading mood, so that's good.
Well, yeah, this is kind of the one, right? You got big run up the day before, and no gap up, and then usually you get
Oh, the market opening still? Look at
the
that.
dip out of the open.
I know what time it was.
UAVS.
Do that.
Eh, this one kind of gave most of it back. Still a little high on the
BRB.
daily. It's another good one. Big run up. Actually came down a little bit. Kind of went sideways. I'd say this is probably my favorite out of all of them. This one and AXTI. But there's just no volume. Yeah, I really wish Uxin would have went to 650 this morning. I feel like I would have been all over that with a pre-market trade because I was sitting here. I was watching it during this move right here when it went to 625. The other one, what was the other one? KNF. Yeah, that was the other one. I think I wanted more out of that too. Yeah, I was looking for that to actually go up through 3. Oh well. Just gonna wait for the bell now.
Ready to
2
make
minutes.
some money.
Go for it.
Let's do that.
Flip to the moon. What are we eating, Steve? What are we eating?
Have a yogurt.
I ate 2 clementines this morning.
Oh, Clementine.
Oh, clementine.
Those are in season. Those are fantastic. But otherwise, they're like dry and bitter.
Yeah, these are. I feel like are they in season right now? Because
Depends
these
how
are
much
really good.
Depends how much you pay. Some of the grocery stores have really good ones. Other ones have like they're soft and just gross.
I mean, these are from BJ's and they're like perfect.
Well, anything with a BJ is perfect.
Peak season, according to Google, is October through January.
So definitely not in peak season. So they must be coming from somewhere that has a good. Let me go see where they're from.
Mexico.
Boy, 30 seconds.
I am most likely not trading the bell.
30 seconds till we say the market's trash.
I think it's gonna be pretty good. Is SPY still up over 425? Yep.
Woo woo.
Yep.
Go SPY.
I think it's an all-time high, right?
Yep.
Good luck, all.
Good luck.
Call them out.
Pull the boat. CGN.
Oh, this market's trash. I'm going to bed.
Bye. They're actually from Massachusetts.
What is?
They're from
The-
Lance's backyard.
The clementines. It's Wellesley Farms.
Wesley.
No, I don't think it's Wesley.
It's Wellesley.
Yeah, Wellesley. Yeah.
Those
It had
people are dyslexic.
It had another L in there, so it was kind of throwing me off.
Gonna try to
Yeah,
ignore
all
AMC and
of the
memes.
towns around here, they're named after British stuff, so it's the same pronunciation. So
Gotcha.
it's all fucked up.
The British are too good. They have to add extra letters. They're
Yes.
that good.
Yep.
The mirror is everything wrong.
Yeah, Uxin just took a dump. Spies dumping. Oh, yeah.
I think those all those long ideas you had, Devin.
I was ready to short Uxin in the pre-market if it got up to 650, but it never did.
As long as it holds up here, it's probably gonna get back.
Where's my UFAB at?
Where was it?
$2.
Shut up.
$4.10.
All right. No regrets. I'm good. Made my money by 7:30. I haven't even looked at the market.
You made money while you were sleeping, bruh.
I know, man. I logged onto the computer at 4:30 this morning. I see it's already down below $5. Like,
CCL going straight up while the SPY is going straight down. It's kind of an interesting one.
Yeah.
Speaking
CGI
of-
almost looks- Said nope.
OCGN started SS.
This isn't what I was expecting for this morning.
What I was expecting for this morning.
told you the market's trash. Nobody listens to me, man. I called it 2 seconds in the open.
Getting a little pushy push. Okay, patience. Patience is a good thing.
CLSD spiked a little bit. Not as much as I would have liked to have seen.
Holy shit, man. Well, times the start doesn't go as planned.
Something like that.
Kind of expected some movement, man. I'm kind of getting everything just dropping. Alpha's dropping. PRSR. That's just fucking all over the place. What was the one that moved a lot yesterday?
OCGN
Rat.
dollar on way.
That drops. Fuck.
I had an offering too.
I just died right now.
Wish,
Start on that.
wish was kind of going up nice.
ABXLAXTIBYFC wrapped UXIN all dollar on way. LOL. WTF. Hangover. I'm still at 0 LOL.
Thank you, Charles.
Wish.
Oh, okay.
What are you guys trading? Come on. Get in there.
Nothing. We ain't trading jack.
Jack. J-A-C-K?
The one.
Juck. Juck.
A lot of wish.
PDD huge co.
Oh, you meant wish as in the ticker.
Yep.
When you said wish in the chat, I thought you were saying you wish that you were like B and you could play all those hangovers.
I couldn't put in caps, dude. It was starting to jiggle.
I didn't even see that on the scanner, to be honest.
I didn't see it either, but I heard somebody call it in chat.
Yep, I did. I said it was going up.
BA Boeing, President Biden, welcome major breakthrough with Boeing. Airbus trade dispute.
It's a big company.
That guy's
That's
still
the,
alive?
right?
Which.com?
Hey, you guys gonna halt up?
Morning.
FUSN, if you got them, could be interesting.
I think it was like no volume.
That's true.
I keep pulling that thing up, and I'm like, why do I keep pulling this up?
That's made a lot of money.
On what?
RAPT. I got a bad feeling that out, but I did okay.
FUSN
Well,
slot
anyway.
and spread.
Lance, what were the first two letters of that ticker?
R-A.
F-U.
No, the Lance's ticker. There you go.
As sketch as it gets.
You got wraps going up or down?
Going down.
It only went down, so.
Well, I know. No, I know it was at 46 after hours yesterday. I just don't know where it's at now.
39.
Good. I was in the thing for like 40 seconds.
That's all you need, man. $40 stock. That's all you need.
Wish I would have taken over 200 shares, but
Well, this is
Still a
boring
sizable amount of
open,
capital. If it
And
goes
guess
the
it-
other way, it goes quick too.
yesterday and today.
that's why I only did 200 because I was like, I can add if it gets back to that 75 level.
Yeah, I mean that's the problem with those tickers. You make a lot of money, or you can lose a lot of money real fast.
Yeah, for sure.
Those things don't move. Those things don't move a penny at a time.
Honestly, you saying that they had a freaking offering kind of gave me a little more faith.
Tell him, Steve. PayPal's in the description.
Yeah, but that's your PayPal.
Well, yeah. I mean, I know you said it, but I should get credit.
Implementation on that exit. Normally, when it hits those levels, it gives you another chance. You clicked it when it was at the bottom, it just freaking popped so fast.
If you just click on my website, you can send me an email with your credit card info. That works too.
Did you get CLSD?
No.
I just realized the
You
SPY
think-
was at all-time highs. Now it's like, no.
Not yet. We trade had CLSD earlier.
That's not gold.
Oh, man.
ALS.
Guess I'll be
was
yawning
pretty
all of a sudden.
Strong. That's got a lot of volume. Get back up to highs. It's about to make a low to low. Low
Where
high.
is all the volume?
ALF. Not kidding. ALF is where the volume
Med
is.
7
Yeah,
KTV.
it's 23 million now.
Woo-hoo. Going up.
Looks like AMC as well again.
Carrot is a pass.
Is that over 60?
It was right at it. It did get over 60.
They got to almost 61. Now it's at 58.
Unbelievable.
Oh, it's the gamma squeeze.
Mew another huge co.
You alright, DT?
OCGN out all.
Just
Just tanking, man. Jeez, not what I want to do. Man.
stupid AMC news.
I just honestly can't believe GME is still up where it's at. It's like the longest meme I've ever seen.
Paco doesn't do nothing.
It's literally just so many people just holding their shares like idiots.
No, they're not idiots because it's not going down.
It will eventually.
That's what she said.
I think that'll go down after it hits 100. That's my take on it.
After what?
No, we're talking about GME, not AMC.
Oh, okay. I think AMC's gonna hit 100.
Say, isn't GME above 100 already?
I thought you guys were talking AMC. I literally would not be surprised whatsoever to see that thing $100.
60, 100, same
Is this
difference.
not the right?
Both slightly overvalued.
F.
Shit, this isn't the right
It's
adapter.
Why did they do that to me? Why can't they just do that before the bell or after the bell?
Yeah, right now is not a good time.
I don't want, when I'm trading, because it could be something like, oh, your freaking trade's not going to work, or you won't be able to sell any positions today.
Expect to get that 3 times a day for the next 4 days.
Oh, about to hold. On a raft is a little loopy.
Yeah, I was hoping it would keep going.
I think that 40 is it, dude. The spread was 25 cents.
I was
Yeah.
gonna hold. No short.
XYF is about to
XYF
hold.
pop.
Not a lot of volume in it, but
Yeah, he's cutting the grass.
XYF the spread. Pass. Sketchy action. Carrot, carrot, carrot.
Oh no, it's Steve. Steve's cutting the grass.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
Food 2's running. If you have shorts on that, it could be interesting. It just went up $4. It's an expensive stock, but
Nice brother, gotta cut it in while you can. A bit warm though, in my opinion.
OCGN.
trying to go up a little bit.
Where's it going? Where are we going?
BlackBerry, granted you have a mobile wireless communication
FUTU.
device,
Same as
digital
PDD.
wallet, multi-mode user card, and related methods as BB, Bravo, Bravo, BlackBerry.
Second cup of coffee time.
Third cup.
OCGN.
Yeah, I'd love to see that spike all the way up there.
Rio CGN should be thinking 8.20 plus for planning
Tiger's
purposes.
making a little bit of a run. Not gonna be shorts on it.
Cliff. Fell off the cliff.
Is that English?
Yeah.
Business inventories,
Yes. Hmm.
That's coming up at 10 a.m.
Patiently waiting.
Patiently waiting. Do I look like I'm patiently waiting?
Nothing? No horns, nothing?
Nothing yet. Watching PRPO.
PRPO up. Carrot.
Spready.
Near the ISW traffic bureau. Company head of oil trading
Plus
said
point
OPEC
50
is playing a
SBLS.
bigger role in future oil market as a result of low investment by majors. NIH, National Institute of Health, says study offers new evidence of early SARS-CoV-2 infections in the U.S.
South to the moon?
Go Magogo.
ALF.
Yeah.
LOL. MOGO 8-ish would be nice.
Empty.
Okay, anything, Tim?
Pairs non-existent today, brother. Was watching MOGO, but it just stalled. No volume. I got UAVS up here.
Shares of BlackBerry getting up top here now, $14.11. In the US today, that's 2 weeks.
What? I just tried to get in UAVS, but I got rejected. Display size should be a multiple of lot size? What?
Yeah, man, get your orders straight.
Apparently.
Trade full loss on that one.
Apparently, it has to be a multiple, which I don't understand at all, but whatever. Because I did the load button, and then I changed it, and I guess that still doesn't make sense. It's never done that before. I don't know. I was just going to try to scalp it, which I would have already been out probably. Hopefully it goes up through 6.
UAVS up. 6.20 please.
Was hoping PRPO went through 450. Didn't get that. Watching Mogo, would want that up towards 8. Nothing's has any kind of follow through for that last push. Yeah, TRCH, Bangkok. I do not have any shares.
SDS is moving a little bit. Be a fun time yesterday.
Little revenge trading, maybe?
It's right about the same spot put there where everybody got into yesterday.
Huh. I don't think I know that guy. Things are talking at me.
I was waving.
Order filled.
UAVS.
Hey, you finally got in?
Yep. It made a move up through 6.
Started UAVS.
Good luck. Type that to
UAVS.
5.
Ditto. Ditto. Feel like we are early.
If you wave at
LOL.
someone with 5 fingers, but they only wave back with 1, what does that mean?
Means they love you.
Shares on UAVS.
So does that mean I love them 5 times as much?
Yes. Yes, it does.
Kilo, Kilo, Kodak, reported U.S. patent articles having silver iron alpha, the carboxylate oxide complexes.
Hey, guess who's on the bid with no fill?
I'm gonna guess it's
That be VT?
Order filled.
Hey, I got filled. Yay.
$. UAVS $.
Which
I
one?
was
money?
I was sitting at 596 and it wouldn't fill me, but I was on the bid.
I made some more on RAPT, but that was a fuck the thread.
Yeah, that doesn't look like a fucking thing right now.
It was all the spread, dude. I just kept. I mean, I finally just got out because, and I actually got a decent fill on my exit, thank God. But
Wish I would have added like I was going to,
spread
and it
was
felt
so
heavy.
funky, dude. Click the button.
Look
and
at you,
the
man.
call.
Killing the dinosaurs. That's what you're doing. You're killing the dinosaurs.
Telling you, the dinosaurs suck, dude. Did you ever see the
Nah.
movie Jurassic Park? It didn't go good.
For who?
For us, for the humans, not a good move.
I saw the first one. I didn't see the other ones after that.
And then
I
they
read
just
the
keep
book too.
They never became nice.
We didn't know how to relate to that. That was our problem. That was our bad.
That was our bad.
Stupid rap shit in a second. I'm watching CCDM. I'm done with that thing, so I'm gonna take it off. Rap probably has a lot of run down, but I can't deal with that spread.
That shot probably the spread was yesterday.
What's that?
Yesterday the
two.
spread was jumping around like crazy too.
Oh yeah, you traded this for down.
Yeah.
Yes, that was moving dollars and dollars at a time.
$8 this time, but was just spread was stupid.
UAVS as Eagle getting up top here on heavy volume, seeing some heavy full activity June, $7.50 hold on UAVS. Come out Victor Sandy.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice. All
Do it
from that
enough,
one
now
trade?
Do it again.
Not gonna lie, it's kind of luck on this time. I don't even
The
feel
ISL
super
little
good
more.
about that trade. It was so lucky. I was almost where I was gonna have to cut it, not because of the max loss, because I was already up a little bit, but max loss for one trade. A lot of volume. A lot of volume. 40 million.
OCGN.
This market, you believe the volume, right? What they say. Trusting the long, dude.
What?
Having trouble trusting the long on it, though. Those days when I'm just kind of like, oh. Oh, this is stupid ride. I'm not checking on that again. Still got a 30-cent spread, 20-cent spread.
The LSD's starting to go up a bit.
It's over 4.
Not almost. It needs to get up over 4 at least.
And maybe like 418 or so, 420s.
Yeah, get back up there.
I think it shoot up and might be juicy.
Woohoo, Thomas.
Context logic on full activity now.
Oh.
Weekly $15.
Hell at all-time highs. Thingy, stop it.
This XYF is trading like a 2 mil float.
Shorts there. Daily. Oh, that's a big breakout. I didn't see that one. Did it really?
Hey.
Yeah.
XYF earnings tomorrow for what it's
Yahoo says 17 mil, Finviz says 15, TD says 1.8, and then the other two don't have anything. Apparently they have earnings tomorrow.
Keep this alpha on watch for possible long.
Watching UAVS again.
I don't have my main watch right now, man.
Order filled.
Yes, we don't have shorts on there. Nope. Good luck on that one, too.
UAVS.
Oh, drop the 5.
Halted. This market's wacky, dude. That thing's on 800,000 in volume, too. Fuck. Do that, sorry.
What halted?
Order filled.
No, XYF.
$1.
Good luck with a gap fill call on that one, Vet.
Out of UAVS.
Call.
Lots of volume on this ALF, too. Lots of volume. A lot of volume. Biggest volume candle it's ever had.
Which one were we talking about, Gaffil? The XYF one on the daily?
Yeah, well, just
Yep.
halted.
Yeah, that one's a little crazy. They must be getting leaks of their earnings or something because they're tomorrow.
Got it happening there. What are you watching, Jag? ALF? Jag left us.
Oh, I'm still here. It was off for a second because I got a phone call.
I'd have to cancel out
Hangers
the
$.
Oh, so, damn it.
Like, you know what, man? If you're not gonna be there for me, I'm gonna just go with Tampa. My
Fine.
second key.
Fine, I don't want any of this anymore.
Wait, does this mean I'm your number one again, Devin?
Number one now. Jags out. Fuck that guy.
Yay! Yay! Wait, does this mean I can just go back under the desk?
Of course. Give me
Not
your.
if I get there first.
You can just message me your bank information, your social security, so we can start this relationship right. Oh, fun stuff.
Just did it again. Check TRCH for no reason.
Why does it keep going off in your scanner?
Yeah, and I keep pulling it up, and I'm like, God, I don't have any shares. Stop it.
Put your T's.
For, it's not really something I'd probably trade anyway, to be honest.
Alright, how do we really feel about this ALF?
TRCH is about to possibly make a nice move, though. If it breaks that pre-market high
Go
at
long,
520.
man. Go long.
No, thank you.
Long gal.
Could be something you're interested in, Devin. I don't know. It's $5. Yeah, torch.
Cliff can go away for sure. That's not gonna jack.
Might be a little late, honestly, for something where you would have entered.
I did this at all. This now. Maybe down. I mean, bounce off this dibble on. I wouldn't buy hair.
Oh yeah, it might break out though, but it's definitely more risky.
Want to watch it break out and come back, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, your entry would have been down at like 490 or so.
Yeah, if I was trading that. 490, 495, maybe even hold all that. That's a tricky one. I'm buying into that overextension.
Yeah. Yeah, that's got a gap on the daily too, huh? Decent one.
I was looking at that stock all day. Let's see. Let's get a daily buy for this thing.
Could be all-time highs, is it?
No.
No.
I know.
52-week high. Yeah.
675 is its all-time high. 675. Might be trying to go back up there today.
AMC not a trade for the week at heart.
Stupid crazy market. I got this Alpha on watch, man. It's probably my.
In it.
Oh, there goes AMC.
That over. I think I had a line on that. Like
61 something. Yeah, it's probably gonna go there.
Yeah, 6250 is like the resistance line on that. Kind of. I think I set one last night on. Gets above there, that thing might freaking take off. Oh, there goes Al.
Restarted OCGN for fade.
What happened? Let's pull back. All zero trader would just buy that pullback like Jag.
Talking about me again.
And you buy those pullbacks like what Alf just did. Just don't do that.
All I heard was Jag, something pull back, jerk face. I don't like him anymore. Tim's my number one.
Tim is so jealous.
OCGN wouldn't mind couple pop 7.20.
And you know you'll always be my first, bro. So there's always a special place for you in my heart.
Yeah. Sometimes being the first though, it's like I'm also the first reject too. So Might have been first, but if you're with somebody else, it means I'm also the first at something else I don't want to be the first at.
Gotta try some other traders too, and just make sure they do the right one.
Oh, so you're saying there's still a chance? Oh my god, he said there's a chance.
People lose attention very quickly.
Who does?
You do.
I'm still watching everything I'm watching.
I didn't mean the market.
Oh. That's probably true. I'm very ADD. Trading's a good job for me. Change is constantly.
ELOX up. 2.70 please.
Oh, Wish is dying.
Oh, don't let your wishes die.
Thomas still caught me off guard on that one earlier.
Thought he was making a wish.
I did. And then he's like, out a wish. I'm like, oh. That's what you meant.
Oh my god, no, I'm gonna kill you.
What are you gonna kill?
This stupid fucking fly.
Well, almost anything else, and we might have had to call the police.
Did I get it?
Did you catch it with chopsticks?
UAVS 25 cents. You just demonetized them.
Yeah, yep. My entire stream wasted.
XYF back down MT. Did you do shorts on that bad boy?
Yeah, we did, but the thing was crazy. Watching this ELOX, I like to see it pop up through 250.
UAVS some backside ads.
What's that?
Yeah, it's just.
ELOX. It's like Elon's evil twin.
Elon's evil twin is Elox.
Yep.
I like it.
ELOX 2.60-ish.
It was Elox. Jag, you get a CLSD over 4?
No. I was hoping for a little higher.
I kind of wanted a big VWAP, but it is.
Boo.
Just
Nothing
couldn't
like
give us
looking for
that
an
pop.
address that doesn't exist, but Waze tells you it's there.
Because you're using Waze.
I didn't know where the street was. I'm looking and I see 1400 and I'm looking for a 1600 block. Waze tells me to go to the 1500 block and says here it is, and that ain't true. Then I go back and look at the address. Now it was the 1300 block I was looking for.
Just like when Google tells you to cross the bridge and there's no bridge there.
Oh, we got that set up just for you, DT.
Tough balance between
Now, there
missing
were
and
people
making
that were
money.
doing it though.
Was that when we were chasing the Pokemon monsters?
Option Allison.
For sure.
Yeah, you better watch that out.
What's making money like?
I want to trade a Gazelle, man. I love that shit.
Oh,
Face
that was
with
great.
tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing. Kinda boring.
Kitty.
That was great. Dinosaurs was great. Not the mama. Not the mama.
That was a fucking rock guy.
You know, that's like the one show from our generation that I never watched.
Fraggle Rock?
Never watched it.
That was actually a little bit before us. That was before us, a couple years. I never watched it either.
3-2-1
That's why I never
contact.
watched
Used to show this that in school
CLOX UAVS dollar on way.
with the Bloodhound gang.
Ooh, fudge, I should have taken out. Believe in the power. It's about to hold.
Oh, look, now he's watching his language.
AMCLOL
He doesn't care about the
dollar
fly,
on
but
way.
now he's watching his language.
Shit, trade off. Such a I would have hung on this hole too. I mean, I would.
Hey, did anybody trade Alf?
No.
Yeah, I was curious. I just sat back down. Anyone trade that Alf stock?
Shut up, I hate you people.
Which stock?
They're just being a jerk to me because I didn't take out.
Why didn't you take Alf?
Did I miss Alf?
Oh god.
Oh yeah, we're gonna pour it.
Still didn't hear. Which stock you talking about?
Alf.
I believe you said Alf.
Alf.
Still didn't get it.
Alf?
Alf. Alf.
He's being a douchebag. He's being a douchebag.
Oh yes, I know.
How do we get anything done in this room?
Also getting a defense that Morgan Stanley.
Should have been listening to Sid.
UAVS trail leftovers.
Huge game.
Oh, no. It's a-
Wow, UAVS.
You can give up.
Damn, I wasn't even up here for that.
I got it twice, but I was hoping it kind of kept running. It felt like it wanted to keep going. I didn't think it would just die like that. Damn. There goes AMC.
Well, you got it on the second pop, huh?
Yeah, I got it twice. I didn't hold
So
on
you
to
missed the
it.
third pop as well.
No, there was no third pop.
There's one that I should have.
Not a pop. It went back up to like 620, but it never went through high day again.
Because I got the first one, the initial, in the drop in the same candle. You got the next one right about 610. And then there's the next one, the one that went high a day.
I only see two. What are you talking about? I see where it went through 593 area to 610. I got that one. And then it went through 610 to high a day up to 630, and I got that one.
Okay, I got the candle before you.
Oh, you played that candle. Okay.
And I missed the one that you played.
Gotcha,
And then I had to
gotcha.
go downstairs and miss the third one.
Moral of the story: don't go downstairs. Valve open.
At least I didn't miss Elf.
What stock?
Can you read it phonetically so we can find what we're talking about?
I think he's talking about Alf.
Are you saying elf or Alf?
Yeah,
Help. Definitely.
Alf.
do it phonetically.
Oh, Santa's helper.
Alf.
Oh.
See? Agrotherapy Larry football.
Yes, Alf.
August.
Sorry, you broke up a little bit there.
Shut up.
Dave, did you just get that he's been effing with us the whole time? He has not seriously asked for this ticket name one time.
I couldn't talk for the first few minutes, so I was just talking to myself anyway. So
That was my
typical
first
Steve.
foyer.
So is it A like alpha or E as in echo for Alf?
Echo.
I
I is Niglet. Ilf.
Ilf. Oh, MILF?
Ilf.
Yeah, but there's an ILF, ILF.
Oh, there it goes.
AMC going cray cray.
Yeah, that's where all the volume's at.
People can't leave the memes alone.
AEMD7KTV.
I mean, there's nothing in the way of AMC going up to 70 at this point. That's for sure.
Just enough to get stuck in it. And SSR, no thanks.
Ow.
Leave it alone, Crispy.
About time.
Mm-mm.
Let's do that. I'm out the off. Small one.
What ticker?
Party har har.
So funny, Tim.
Tim's got yokes.
Like that it's keep projecting off that previous alt line. Kinda want to see that quick bust through and just go.
I'm out.
Oh well. Tried it. I made like $9.
You got in?
$5.97.
No way.
Big Mac lunch coming your way.
Missions, man. I could probably like order up $1 menu and get 2 things from McDonald's.
Oh, thought you meant got in and then got out.
I'm not even gonna post that turbo stuff, so. I'll post it.
You don't need
Well, now that you said that, right?
There you go.
He's good at
What?
paper trades. Probably not gonna be
Devin's-
for $9.
Devin's paper trading?
Yes, totally. I just do this for a living, but I'm not really gonna trade real money ever. See how that goes.
Oh, the pancakes.
I didn't even
This is
think
absurd.
about adjusting that one.
forgot about that emoji.
Like, I think I
Well, is
made
there a
like
pa-
twice the-
Is there a pancake emoji?
Yeah.
I didn't know that until just now. I'm gonna give it a pancake too.
That's weak.
I don't know what to watch, dude.
Where's that UFAB at?
Yeah, I'll look at that since I'm not trading it. UFAB is at $4.05.
Okay.
That's just chilling there, dude. kind of gone sideways since hit those 4 levels.
OCGN lock and trail.
Oh. Snoop Jag.
Yo.
CLSD.
Yeah.
What you thinking?
I don't like the way the 9's coming up.
Yeah, it's not flying up for sure.
I was hoping for like 450 once it was getting up there because I figured that would extend it a little bit more, but
Yeah.
that's gonna happen.
Kind of wanted to see that fast up instead of this slow. ELF, she getting practice. Oh, they keep trying to buy it. They keep trying to buy it. Oh, oh. Yeah, I'm not sold on this thing though. I think this might get it back into the move here. Bad shorts, so they'll probably be interested in short now.
CLSD will prob rotate.
OCGN just can't get going today.
DLSD, certified biomedical volume now.
Decent volume coming into CLSD.
Yeah, not a big fan of the move pre-market though. And if it gets to where I would want to trade it, it's probably going to rotate its float.
Said Alf would be a good short up at $6.35.
Which ticker? All I heard was $6.35.
You would.
Them just stop. Stop right now.
Stop what?
Shut your beautiful mouth.
Put it to better use.
Put something in there. Pancake.
Pancake? What are you?
I'm just gonna put pancakes in his mouth. Jeez. Perverts.
You must be the pancake. You must be flaccid.
That's when I'm flaccid. It's very flat and.
What's the average size of a pancake?
3.5 inches.
Are we talking girth or length?
Flaccid or erect?
Jesus. Floppy or
You know, pancakes are weirdly like really good. Like the ones you microwave, the ones you buy frozen in the microwave. I like them because they're kind of chewy and weird.
Ew.
I don't
I
like
don't
that.
know why I like them, but I do.
That's disgusting.
The Eggo microwave pancakes, the Eggo ones, the Eggo brand.
They're kind of chewy, but they're good. I don't know what's wrong with me, man. Why do I like it?
If you chew on it long enough, you get that sticky syrup coming out of your mouth. Oh, what a beautiful.
Oh, that sticky gooey mess.
Pass the tissue and a cigarette. Probably not a good thing less than an hour into the market and already this is where we've gone.
There goes CLSD, guys.
Yes, it did. I missed it.
What'd you miss, Alf?
Yeah.
At this point, it has to be an all-day thing, even if it gets corny.
I was trying to eat that cat. That was funny stuff.
Better watch how hard you smash that keyboard at me.
U.S. officials said meeting between Biden and Putin last
You're not.
hour. That the meeting takes place on Wednesday.
CLSD 5.20 for me. How many left? $147K. Thanks.
Oh, Boise.
Who's up? I'm gonna just say Daya. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate the subscription. Thank you very much. Sorry for such another boring day. Just not a lot going on. UAVS. Ugh.
Who's winning that one? You or them?
I mean, it's just hindsight. It's just dying.
I'll be right back.
It's dead. Like, it died.
Hello. Yep.
TX, Magnetic, Indy Michael Tango X-ray, awarded U.S. patent peptides and combination of peptides of non
DLSD.
cancers that Indy Michael
Short or long?
I cut it. Small one. One of those is it. Hey. Oh, there it goes.
Oops.
I just wasn't trusting
I'll bet
me. That line holding up like that was just bothering me. Oh, you son of a. Average was like 452, I think. Yeah, that's frustrating. Freaking added some nice size to that too.
WASU, Waco Education bonds for up to $25 million mixed shelf. That's in a filing. WASU.
Oh, you piece of crap.
Hey, Justin. Yeah, maybe 10k shares.
What's good?
Go find a penny stock real quick.
Did anybody get CLSD?
Yeah, so I got some of it. I sold it. I recovered too early. Freaking sized into that thing too, and just take it to fall.
I think by CLSD he means ALF.
I think so too. Oh well.
I've went too far with this. I can't turn around.
You can't stop now.
Like, I want to stop so bad, but I can't do it.
Waffle man. Just had an offering.
Wahoo!
25 million.
Hardly seems worth
Oh, that thing came all the way back down, huh?
What are we eating, Tim?
Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl.
Oh, that's
Why don't you have one of those chewy pancakes?
I mean, at least mine's keto. No, it's not. Damn it. It's got potatoes. I was trying to make Thomas proud.
And instead you just incriminate yourself.
I don't eat the same shit.
Those pancakes, I know which one Devin's talking about. They're not like the worst I've ever had, but they're definitely not good.
Yeah, I don't like the pancake ones. I eat the blueberry waffle by Eggos.
Why are you guys shorting that thing right there? Crazy. I mean, nice job though. Nice trade. I was watching it the whole time. I was like,
At the daily 456 is the daily resistance for the year.
Yeah, that's true. Look at AMC.
Yep.
Stock we talking about?
Definitely Alf.
ELF.
Good stock.
One of those 3 letters, AMC.
BRB.
AFK.
Oh, and Poland was with me.
I think you were with Colin.
I think I was chuckling in before him, so.
What really matters is he got out after you.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, I'm just salty. I can't find. I'm just salty. I can't find any trades.
Yeah, but you got Jimmy Dean, man.
Dash gets attacked and he doesn't find trades.
You eating that out of a box?
No, it's the bowl you microwave it in.
Oh, is it? I know, I can't see it. I just looked. Looks like a Chinese food box. Oh, there it is. Oh, no, it's a napkin.
Yeah, I just put a
You're
napkin under it because it
sponsored
was
by
it was
A little
too hot.
warm.
Yeah. Jimmy Dean, if you're watching,
breakfast sponsors.
if you're
Sponsors,
watching,
man.
no one sponsors my channel, so feel free.
Those chewy little bacon bits are the best.
I tried to get Balls to sponsor me.
Balls?
Nobody knows what that is.
It's the energy drink.
We're the only person in the world that's ever had a Balls energy drink.
That is a complete lie.
Never heard of it. Of course, I never looked, so.
They're old school. They never really like took off, but they're so good. Say that again?
Does it taste any different than all other energy drinks? They feel all
Yes.
somewhat similar.
Well, that's what makes them amazing is that they actually taste good. Or like Red Bull and Monster, they all have that like that energy drink taste to them. But they don't use the same they don't use the same stuff that they do. They use guarana like primarily, and it just I don't know. You just have to try it.
I've had
They come
Red
in-
Bull.
They come in different flavors. I prefer the sweaty flavor.
Monster is disgusting.
Right now.
I remember the first time I tried Red Bull, I looked at the person who kept saying, "You've never tried Red Bull? You got to try it." So he literally went and bought me one. And I looked at him after trying it, and I was like, "You drink this? Like
Reminds me of
willingly?"
Smarties.
It does taste like Smarties.
They do.
I'd much rather eat Smarties.
At moment working AMC a lot OCG and UAVS, else cashed up.
Yeah, I worked a job that had them first time. Got tired of spending $9 at 3 o'clock.
OCG and UAVS on trails. Was a lot on scanner. At moment working the corner, else cashed up.
$1 for an energy drink?
Because I drink, you start out with 1, next month it's 2, next month it's 3.
Ain't that the truth?
Yes, a lot from scanner, but was not high intensity.
Hooked pretty easily on those things.
Yeah. The worst is they're like free everywhere I work. It's too.
I'm super sad faced. Them freaking that bowl I just ate is 490 calories.
I believe it.
And it's like, I mean, it's a decent amount of food, but it's not a lot in American standards.
The first time I got a hoagie in England, I was like, this isn't a hoagie.
Like this is a like one of them little appetizer sandwiches.
Yeah, it was like the size of a. I won't say baguette, but that's not it.
It's so sad because I mean that's why we get the reputation that we do.
Well, Mexico's fatter than us now.
Which is so crazy. Like, how can you be fatter than us? But you have like those companies.
Grandma?
No.
That's how.
Oh, don't get me wrong. Mexican food is amazing, and I'm talking like the authentic stuff. Because we have a couple of places around here. I always.
They try to feed you all the time.
Yeah, that's true. Well, that's my mom does that just with whatever she's making. Very, and yeah, I turned to food pretty much my whole life for everything, so that was always my downfall. And the doctor tells me I have a slow metabolism. And I'm like, well, screw you.
He was being nice. He really meant intellect.
India, speaking of food, I love your food the most. Indian, I would say India and Japan are where my two favorite foods come from.
Government conspiracy, man.
Metabolism?
No, sugar.
I was going to say, because
everything you eat turns to sugar.
Yeah, I don't know anything about that.
Carbohydrates.
I just know when I eat too much, I get fatter.
Man's a genius.
Well, I haven't had that problem for the last couple of years. Of course, being made up for being skinny isn't that much fun either.
I don't know. Being fat is, there's like no advantages, like zero, except for you can just eat more food.
I was very argumentative when
you could be a lineman in the NFL.
Yeah, but even then, when you're done being a lineman, you just get fatter because of all the muscle you have underneath all that fat, and then you end up dying early, not enjoying the money you made in the NFL.
No, but your size 2 girlfriend appreciates it.
Yeah, until you run out of money, and then she leaves.
Nah, you're dead before that happens.
Yeah, most of the time.
My ex-wife was a size 0, and I was always called bullshit on that.
Both my girlfriend from high school and Amanda, when I met her, were size 0.
Yeah, I love how they just keep making the sizes smaller.
Yeah,
it used to be a 2 or a 4. Now you're a 0.
Now the models are -1 and -2. That's called anorexia.
Or Photoshop.
Yeah.
I used to get arguments with moms all the time in high school because they would call me skinny. I said, well, if you can call me skinny, I can call you fat. They didn't
I hope not, because it's not here.
There was a thing on Reddit the other day where somebody was like fed up, and they were like, they were talking to, it was like one of those public freakouts or whatever, where they walked in and a family member said, "Man, you've been putting on some weight," and the guy was just like, "Damn, that's funny you say that, because I was thinking the same exact thing." And then you could see the person who originally said it like get all offended, and it's like, how the fuck can you get offended after you just said the same exact thing to them? It was actually kind of funny.
I don't know how you read Reddit.
It's for the lulz.
I get it.
There's no educational value to it. Except for moments like that where I get to tell you a story that I otherwise wouldn't have been able to tell you.
Makes it all worth it.
God, where are the trades at?
You got a bag?
You got a bag? Because I'm sticking my elf in it.
Any bag is fine. This way it doesn't get lost in the truck.
Oh, it can even be really small because, you know, Alfs are really small. Devin, I know you're here.
Yeah.
I can hear your Charlie talking.
Never said I wasn't there.
You didn't laugh at my Alf joke. I'm sad.
I'm on CLSD.
You're in it again? Dude, I guess I would kind of have to ask, long or short.
Short.
TYHT
I feel like it could have been either way.
No fill so far.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
No. You're perfect.
I think I have room down to like 380. So.
What are you in at? Right about here?
Pretty close. 422.
Yeah.
Steve, go long CLSD.
Let's feel with the weakness it's had since pre-market. It's falling back down.
You watching TYHT, Shane?
Yep.
TYHT.
Bet you Brian got one of those fills.
No shorts.
AOAN, ultimate euro shares opening at $29 price at $5 price out in November.
Yeah, 4 cents a share.
Market volume.
Order filled.
Just not try to stand this thing, dude.
What would your normal cost be, Colin?
Just the regular commission.
I don't know what their commission
I think
is
it's
on
0.40.
DPW.
0.004.
That's the same price.
Yeah.
0.04.
There's zeros in front of that.
I think she's about to get slammed.
You guys got TYHT.
I'm out some there.
DPW,
TYHT nice.
Six for this one too.
Dollar on 200 shares, so 0.005.
DPW miss.
Come on, give us the drop.
Hey, it's been a good day.
I don't know how you pulled that out of your ass.
I had a good fit on raft, and this thing win me a little bit.
Come on, just give us that break of the 20.
Yesterday was such a bummer.
Yeah, it was really crappy. The afternoon actually had some moves,
Oh, did it? It pick up a little bit.
Monday
Yeah.
afternoon.
There we go, there we go. Come on. Yeah, there we
Luckily for
go.
hours, though.
Boom, TYHT, let's go. All out.
Nice, Tim.
Come on, raft, just drop a 3 or 4 now. Let's go.
Dollar
Feel
dollar
some one on towards
TYHT.
380. You actually making it?
Oh yeah, that didn't take long, did it, Tim? Holy crap. 1 bar?
All out of TYHT.
Yeah, boy. Nice one.
I got a shitty fill on my starter. I was at 839.
Ooh.
Jesus, it's still going.
Let's go.
Dude, I had my order sitting at 802, and when it dropped down,
Yawn. Dollar
popped back up and missed me. I was like, you kidding me? 'Cause I got no fill.
Well, damn, I wish I would have held it.
Yeah, I was just thinking I should have paid that damn 4 cents.
I'm just glad it popped back up through 850 that last time, because I was going to miss it, but it did. It went back up. I was like, all right, I'm going to just jump in here. I also, the reason I jumped in is because I saw the halt price was at like 888, I think it was, or something around there. So I wasn't too worried about it going too far against me too fast.
That's a pretty trade.
I was really just expecting it to try to test the whole dollar, but then it got spready and then it just flew through the whole dollar. No one even attempted to step in.
Bash, can I ask you a question about halts?
Yeah, what's up? Hold on, actually,
When
DPW.
DPW. TYHT.
If you're in a trade, I can ask you later.
This is a big win.
Order filled.
$4.
Trading with bigger size makes a big difference. Wasn't really paying attention to how much you made on this trade.
Order filled.
All out of DPW. All right, what's up, man? Go ahead.
On the halts, because you say you get in right before the halt price, do you really have enough time to get out if it's halting? Like, what do? You just mark it out right then and there?
Yep.
How does that work?
Yeah, when you see the halt prices being hit, you have like 3 seconds to get out.
And the second you start seeing that tape going, you gotta get out.
You're gonna pay the worst price, but yeah. Yep.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and probably there's
You got to be fast.
Paid commissions and free commissions to get out.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, sometimes I see you talking about that. I look at it like, how do you get out at the halt price when it's halting? Like, if your order's not in there, I don't know how you get in. But I guess if you market it, you're going to get out.
Yeah, you might actually have. I mean, well, no, you would still be able to get in as well, like if you wanted to enter there, like for a short. But to get out as well, you would definitely, because I think theoretically it would be harder to get into the trade as it's halting than it is to get out, because to get out you're going to have people selling at the halt price, but people might not be selling at the bid price. So if you put shares on the bid to sell, or buying at the sell price, sorry, they'll all be buying on the ask. So if no one's buying on the bid and you try to sell, you're not going to get filled because there's no shares there, if that makes sense. So the halt price is essentially the bid and the ask as it's halting.
Right. Okay, so if you market it, you don't have to worry about anything because you're going to get filled right there.
Yeah, you're gonna get filled at whatever the ask is, and so I've even been filled above the ask when that has happened before, which I have no idea how, but it's happened.
You got filled above the halt price?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. I assume if you're going short, that's cool.
Well, no, it was when I was covering to get out. Yeah.
Don't they match orders up when it gets all imbalanced like that?
Well, yeah, that's what they're doing, but you would theoretically think that if the halt price is set, the reason is they don't want it to go higher than that. So how you would get filled higher than that, I have no idea. Like, they shouldn't be executing orders above that price. I think that was because it happened on CMEG. I've never been in that situation yet with Interactive Brokers, but I'm thinking that it might have just been like CMEG filling the order based off of the montage, and it's not like, because I think a lot of CMEG orders they do in-house and then they send them to the market kind of thing. Like, they'll fill you so you get the quick fill and then they'll send the order to the market right after. So I'm thinking that, like, if it reads the montage or level 2 or whatever, if there's no shares at the halt price as it quickly goes up and you try to get out, then maybe it fills you higher. It's definitely happened, because I remember posting a chart where my arrow was above the halt price and it halted down, and you could see there was a gap between my arrow and the candle because the price never got there. So I literally got filled over a price that never even hit that price all day because it went down from there.
Talk about top ticking.
Yeah, I wish I remembered, because I know I could go back on YouTube and probably find it, but I don't remember what ticker it was. Jose, yes, yeah. I'm using DOS right now with Interactive Brokers.
Stock literally never hit this price, yet that's what I paid.
Yeah. It's definitely happened to me. I remember making a big deal out of it.
TYHT coming right back to 850s.
Yep. Watching DPW again as well.
Where's DPW at? What price?
365. The range isn't that great on it, but it's a pretty good move out of it. I'd like to see it up around 380.
Yeah, they retired like 1 million shares to the Treasury or something.
It's starting to grind. And it's about halfway through its float now.
Somebody tell CLSD to should die.
Die, CLSD, die.
CLSD, die.
Thank you.
CLSD, stop being an ALF.
Alpha's dying. Why won't CLSD just go with it?
I'm just going to start calling everything an ALF for the rest of the day. No, DPW. No, you were supposed to go like 10 more cents.
Go to your home.
What are you looking for there, Devin? 380, you said?
Yeah, for the rest of it.
Oh, the way that thing's trading, it looks like it could go to $3.
Hey, how are ya?
Sad face DPW. Was hoping for a bigger push there. 50% float rotated now re-DPW.
IPO today, ALZN. Is now at the high 33.55.
That was a solid trade on TYHT. I took a little bit more risk there just as far as my cover order, but it worked. I was trying. Anytime they're spready like that, it can be a little, it could be a doozy. Get DPW. Get run to $4 right now. Hopefully nobody's in it. Is anybody in this?
Yeah, I am. I jump back in.
Never mind.
Fake break. No, I could go. I'll get back in. And it just tapped me out. Thanks, Tim.
Fuck. Now I feel like an asshole.
Definitely made that happen.
I was just thinking the only way I would trade it again is if it ran, because now it's starting to grind. This thing trades like it's a way bigger float than it says.
Suck.
DPW. Yes, DPW is actually a 50 mil float.
DPW 48-50M float BTW, not 28M. Like at Tim.
If patience is out, I am going to do it. Am I?
PRPO up around 5, I'll be interested. Oh geez, haul price is at 5.
Oh, DPW, you suck.
Yeah, that's annoying. Again, I wish it would just... Nice, Colin. I wish it would have just ran. It's annoying. Oh, pour it in, baby. Pour it in!
All out very early.
DPW $.
Yeah, take this off. I can't do this.
Well, the volume just died totally out of it.
I've just been walking still here at 390 for like ever.
Yeah, you guys getting in. Congrats. Sorry, Thomas. I just really wanted that like pop. It just wouldn't pop. It just kept grinding, but it ran out of steam. 380s I would have been in. Oh well.
It was a pretty big size. That was a pretty good winner.
DPWB/E stop leftovers.
What are we watching?
Hoo-hoo. At David.
Yeah. Just sad face I'm not in DPW. It just couldn't give me a re-entry. Look at that thing. Just gonna give it all back.
Yeah, obliterated.
DPW.
Yeah.
AMD and Amazon, the information reporting Amazon airplanes with cargo to the U.S.
It's weird what paying like $5 up front for locates does to my trading. It's $5, but I still trade it weird.
Dude, ask Devin about us on SureTrader. We used to literally say, okay, we needed to get to this price just because we had to pay for our commissions. Like, we would literally trade saying, well, we need at least $10. Like, if we were in like a break-even type trade, we're like, no, we need at least $10 to pay for the commissions.
It makes you do weird things, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's something that should not be in your head at all, but it just is. It's something you got to work on getting rid of.
Honestly, it's really hard when you're trading with, $5 round trips.
Oh yeah, you mean $10?
Or $10 round trip, $5 per trade. Honestly, since I switched over to per share, it's night and day.
Oh yeah, I mean even going from $4.95 to $2.95 was, for me when I did that, it was a humongous difference. Like I wasn't thinking about, like at first I was still thinking about it, but then you're like, oh, now it's only $3 instead of $5, and it like you're just like, oh wow, this is awesome. And like now I don't even think twice about them. Like once you get to this level, you're just like, all right.
Freaking losing the buck or something on trade, and trading fees isn't too bad. Oh, that would cost me a couple bucks. Okay. Today's been a big day, man. Some nice. What are you watching, Jag? Anything in particular?
Nah, just going back and forth through like CLSD, some other ones that we don't have shares on, so.
We had shares in UPAB yesterday, and then they went away. That was a nice one to have.
Yep.
CTX are started.
NOV and anymore.
I know, I saw that. I actually checked it out this morning.
Yeah.
Watching CTXR. Just watching at the moment.
No shares there either.
It's a bigger float.
Really my type of jam.
I'd like a much bigger move.
Money on this XLF, man. My biggest trade.
Yeah, TYHT was good for me. That was a half gold trade in one. That was nice.
Wrap was still my biggest trade.
How'd you do on Alf?
$5.97.
Hell yeah. Alf, I think it was, right?
What's up? What's the ticker, bro?
You're the one that traded it. You tell us.
I don't remember what stock it
I think you said it was Alf.
X.30,
ELSD. X.50 dep pos because 52 hot.
I'm thinking of that RAPH or something, RAF. Right,
Nah, I'm pretty sure it was Alf.
Orf?
Like Alf? Like,
movie with Will Ferrell. Yeah, that was a good one.
No, like was it like an anteater? The guy? The cartoon? Not a cartoon. He was like, wasn't that dude's name Alf?
Something that needs to be talked about.
He's like a moose. Any cartoon what?
One cartoon anteater in the history of cartoons.
He was an aardvark.
It was an aardvark? I don't remember the aardvark either.
The ant and the aardvark.
He ate cats.
An aardvark that ate cats.
That's an old cartoon, 1969 to 1972.
What, an aardvark cartoon?
Yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah, that's Alf. Thank you, Jag. Oh, that's Sesame Street, isn't it?
Oh, that's Alf.
What
I
is?
remember the aardvark cartoon. Something about it.
Oh, there's an aardvark cartoon.
Yeah, that's the Alf I was thinking of. What is he?
He's an alien.
Yeah.
Oh, he's actually supposed to be an alien?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I obviously remembered who he is. I just never watched the show.
Hey, you flew home on the last episode.
Well, good for you guys for being old.
Big shots fired.
Millennial.
Older and wiser.
You're a millennial.
You know, technically I am, unfortunately.
I didn't say that 'cause I knew you hate it so bad.
I do, because I am not, like, I am a millennial, but I am not the
So you're lazy, you
stereotypical
want everybody to do everything
millennial.
for you?
Yes, I do. That's exactly who I am.
So that's a millennial.
PayPal's in the description. Please tell me you smacked the desk.
Shit moving again.
There's a ton of elf gifts.
Yeah, I saw that.
Freaking loved Elf.
I feel like I remember watching him, but definitely not, like, I don't remember the show at all. But I obviously remembered who he was.
I used to do that
AMC
fake
kinda
laugh,
this
"Ha, ha,"
year.
and he would bang the table.
Oh, so that's where Devin got it from. Eton going absolutely bananas.
Is it?
It's halted for a while for some sort of news.
Oh, we got shorts on that one. Jaggedy, jag.
NTB.
I'm looking.
Even NTB.
I don't really like what's going on. but
NTB.
Yeah, that's super not my play right now, dude.
Oh, NTB.
I can't take that, man.
I take off before I get myself in trouble. See you guys in the morning.
Later.
Good luck.
Later, Colin.
Hey,
Yeah,
I'll be right
that
back.
It's got Eton's got FDA approval
We have no shares.
for I don't even know what that is.
I think it's to bring Alf back.
Rezephiers?
I'm buying this shit. Bring back the alien.
Some sort of ephedrine hydrochloride injection.
Sounds like a legit plan. My favorite part about the show Alf is that everybody else pretended it's the family dog, and everybody just believed it. We're like, yeah, that's a dog. Seems legit.
Eton to the moon.
ALZN has a big stake in Eton or vice versa.
Is that new company that opened today or something?
Yeah.
I will not be shorting Eton because afraid of it.
Yep, 4575.
That was a good start to the day, man. We get some more trades in today. This could be a really big day.
I ordered an Xbox controller Prime, and it said it was going to be here 2 days. That was almost 2 weeks ago. It finally got delivered. Yeah, they kept sending me the email. I'm pretty sure they lost it or something, because it kept sending an email every day. Your delivery's time has been pushed back.
Did you not have one, or is it
Out all UAVs.
I had one. It was broke. The left analog stick, for some reason, like, I think a piece inside like got chipped off, and so I actually took it apart and attempted to replace it, but apparently that piece you can't replace without replacing the full analog stick, and it was like $15 or some crap just for that piece. And I was like, screw that, I'll just get a new one, because that thing was old, and it was wired. You couldn't even use it as wireless. So I was just like, I'm just going to get a wireless one, because I was buying it for the LAN that I went to, because they were going to play Rocket League, a game I used to play all the time, and I use the Xbox controller for that. And I'm going to use the Xbox controller for when I'm doing racing and VR. So it made sense to just get a new, nicer one.
Noiser.
Noise.
Noise.
It's like moist.
People swear by the wired one.
Why?
Reaction time.
Pretty sure that's been proven wrong.
Yep.
Because they use wireless ones at LANs, like the major LANs and stuff, so I highly doubt that they'd be using that with money, actual money on the line.
People.
What is it? ALF?
He wanted everybody to listen to him because he was leaving.
Oh. I always said BRB. I thought he was saying a ticker name. Eton, man. Look at that thing. Later. VWAP. When I first pulled it up, I was like, why is VWAP all the way up there with it? But that's because that was literally the first volume it's seen.
It's just as good as the first day as it is, or vice versa.
I landed directly on $50 today. Interesting. I feel like I'm a Photoshop master. That used to always be one of my things. It's like, I know you're not trading for real with all, like, you're making thousands of dollars and you're telling me it ended in 0-0? Like, no.
Yeah, look at your realizes.
Yeah, they're all like spot on.
Down to the 0.
Yep. Usually I get filled some awkward fill at some point throughout the day, but today they were all on the penny. Nice and clean for once. 4 trades, 8 executions. Can't complain about a day like that. Made back over half of what I lost yesterday. It's a good day.
Not a single short in any of those.
IB, brother. IB. Get a free IB stock if you sign up under my link.
Oh yeah, let me go for it. I only have to wait what, a year till I can.
Yep. Yeah, just 365 days. Yeah.
That sounds like a great deal.
Yeah, and I don't know why I have 4 shares.
Wait, what? It gave you 4 shares?
Yeah, I have 4 shares.
It gave you 4 at the beginning?
I don't think so. I never really look at it. The only time I look at it, like right now, it annoys me because it's down.
You're like, why is there red on my screen?
Yeah, so my unrealized is $27 right now.
But so you started with 1 and now you have 4?
Yeah.
And that's it. What's the ticker?
We will
IBKR.
Yeah, so that's way more than $100. It's $240, essentially. Interesting.
Must have been running a deal where if you deposit a certain amount, they give you stocks.
I mean, maybe, but that's not what it just said you get IB stock. I wonder, let me see.
I meant something separate from you. I mean, Webull runs those deals all the time.
Yeah, but Interactive Brokers isn't Webull, yeah.
Yeah.
He has 4 free stocks.
Yeah, right now he said he has 4 shares of IBKR. Yeah, see. Oh, I see. It says open an account today and start earning up to 1,000 of IBKR stock for free.
But it just keep giving you shares.
So it's up to 1,000. Hold on, let me read into it here. The terms and conditions. Okay, so it says open a brokerage account subject to terms and conditions described below. The referred client will receive $1 worth of Class A common stock of Interactive Brokers Group for each $100 in net deposits of cash or other assets to the referred client's IBKR account during the first year following the date of the first deposit. Award period. The maximum net value awarded may receive is 1,000 in shares, according to the formula. So what would you need? So for every dollar, or so for each $100 you get $1. So wouldn't $10,000 or no? So $100,000 would be 1,000. So if you did, yeah, so that's right. So if you did 25, or if you did 30K, that would be 300. So that's not bad. I thought it, for some reason, I thought it was just 100. Or actually, I thought it was just one share.
Yeah, I took it as 1 share.
But no, yeah, so you should have, depending on how much you do, just subtract 2 zeros, and that's how much you should get in IB stock.
The rest of that car. Oh my God. Whew, I believe it. I was dragging a bumper out to the garbage.
with the nose picking again. I feel like I've always had something to do around this time, and now I don't have anything to do today, but I keep thinking that I probably do.
You gotta stay here and trade.
No, that's kind of what I don't want to do. Dude, the tickers that I'm watching, they're not even moving. Like
watch out the tickers.
How does IBKR even, like, they have 107,000 shares traded all day? It's like, how does the price even move?
That's because Thomas didn't trade any of his.
He can't.
They're all restricted. That's why they're not moving.
I wonder what would happen if you tried to sell them. Didn't say the magic word.
Hello, my dudes. Is anyone doth be here? No one speaketh.
Alf!
What is focus? Oh man. Eton would have been a good short. Wish I could have ballsed up on that one. Anything else moving?
Your butt back and forth. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
TRCH going back up towards highs.
I'm not pulling up TRCH anymore. I haven't had shares on that.
No problem. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Totally forgot that that's the one you kept checking and didn't have shares on.
Yes, it does.
Eton's a bummer, man. I got shorts on that one. I just couldn't bring myself to pull the trigger up here. I see you again. What is all that? Jeez, there ain't nothing going on today, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty slow. I'm actually just glad I got the ones that I did.
So close to Thomas's goal for me.
Oh snap! The 2Xer.
2Xer, man. Crazy what bumping your shares up to 1,000 shares does.
Yeah, okay, sure, you can.
I figure on all these that are under $10, I'll start. I mean, if I have faith in the trade, start doing 1,000 shares. If I can find a tight stop in it, you know.
Right.
I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna let something go against me like $1 with 1,000 shares because I don't lose that much money in one day. But
because your name's not Steve.
Well, I'm not Steve. But if I can have a tight stop, I'm totally down to do 1K in shares.
Alrighty, you guys want to come hang out with us? Be in Discord. I'm gonna cut the live stream. I mean, this is. It feels like the rest of the day might be like this. But yeah, if you want to come hang out, feel free to come hang out in the Discord. And if not, I will see you tomorrow morning. Peace.